Hello everybody. Now I am conducting class 3 social studies class. Okay, again I am repeating, I am conducting class 3 social studies class. This class I will discuss about the question answers of chapter 3. Okay, we have done chapter 3. Today I will discuss chapter 3 question answers. So what we have learned from chapter 3? We have learned about the changes. What do we mean by the word change? Change means what? Change is happening every time. Okay, every time we can see the changes. If you will open your book, you will see that every time we are facing the changes of the people, changes of the places, changes of our school, colleges, our surrounding, everything. So today we have discussed about the topic and the most important thing about changes in our school life. What we have learned from the book, just sit along with your book, open your book. Now open your book, page number 27. Okay, from here we have learned about the different kinds of changes. Okay, that many more things we have learned, especially the next page, page number 28. We have learned the schools. Okay, which kind of changes we can get in our schools, like the number of people in a school changes, usually number increases. Yes, definitely each year we see new friends. Schools get new buildings. Yes, and spaces. Definitely our school is continuously, we see that our own school is continuously getting very, we have now a very big building, very big room, decorated room. We have computers are used in special computer rooms or in the classroom. Yes, we all have the special computer in our classroom, that is our smart board. We all learn from the smart board learning. We all have that. Yes, teacher change, old one leaves and new ones join. That is the law of nature, change. Okay, those who are old teacher, they may retire for any kind of sickness, maybe they left, and new ones, new face of teachers we can see. Some school open number of branch in the same city or in the another city. Yes, we can see that also. Okay, another city or in our city we can see that new branches. So these things we can see the changes of the schools. If you come to the next page, page number 29, neighbors. The area around your home or your school is your neighborhood. Yes, we all learned in EVS last year. We know which is known as neighborhood, all surrounding us. Some things found in a neighborhood are building with flats. Yes, many buildings now took change and it become a flat. Bungalows, shops, banks, schools, restaurants, roadside stalls and eating places, parks and bus stops. There could be others as well. Yes, we can see every time that the places surrounding us is also getting changed. That means changes is the law of nature and we have to accept the change. That is the main part. Like last year, if you see, one cobbler is mending the shoe. Now this time maybe you see he has opened a small shoe shop. Like that, changes happens. Everybody want to develop themselves from their own position. Okay, next page, if you come, page 30, transportation. The most important thing, from the beginning of the transportation we only invented wheel. Now today we have so much developed transportation system. We use three ways: landways, waterways and even in the airways. Okay, even somebody's, those who are very rich, very VVIP or VIP classes people, they are also using their own chartered flights, small flights. Okay, they are also using that for traveling. That means nowadays travel transportation system changed a lot. That is also one most important issue for today. Okay, so all these kinds of changes I am talking about the positive change. Now if we are thinking about the negative change, that also has, we are facing negative changes, like that due to the transportation we see today even the pollution. Okay, increased level of pollution, that is also the part of the change. Now due to that innovative kinds of transportation, pollution level is also getting high. That is also one most important thing. Continuously increase level of pollution, transportation also increase the level of the pollution. That is also very important thing for us, because if we are continuously facing these kinds of travel, that travel also is not good for us. Yes, we all know that today we are facing so many kinds of breathing trouble, many kinds of skin disease, many kinds of another kinds of disease, respiratory problems. All these are the negative effect of this pollution. So this topic we have completed last day. Today I only revise the topic for your betterment. You will learn it. Tick mark, give the tick mark that this topic has done. Exercises I have done. Click the given link. From there you will get fill in the blanks. Next, number B, choose the correct option. Number C, match the column. And number E, answer the following. So you will learn all these things. Note it down in your CW copy and submit me by mail. Okay, through mail you will submit to me dpsjhelpdesk@gmail.com. You will send to me by this email, through this email ID, and I want to check, I want to see everybody send it to me. Not want to, everyone should send it to me. Before the next class I want to show you, I want to find it that everybody have sent it to me. And one home task you will do, that is number D. What will you do? Number D. Put these words in the right column. There are 3 columns given: land, water and air. And you will do these things because this will help you. Okay. And the in the pink box, the list of transportations has been given. You will find it out and write down. Okay, you will do it and send it to me. Okay, again I am repeating, A, B, C, E, up to that. Question answers which are very important I have given. Note down that in your CW copy. Give CW today's date, and number D you will do as your home task and send it to me through dpsjhelpdesk@gmail.com. And I want to see that everybody have been sent me. Okay, so stay tuned. Bye bye and wait for the next class.